Disgraced nation, Nigeria. They don't use their hand to open borders for Mosquito. Now Mosquito don't come to Nigeria, biting everybody. They are trying to calm the Mosquito down. Mosquito say no, we have come to stay in Nigeria. We have come to stay. Nothing can push us out. We must finish our mission in Nigeria. Disgraced nation. If you go to Yoruba land in Nigeria,
you will see mosquito inside your forest.
If you go to Igbo land in Nigeria,
mosquito dey inside your forest.
If you go to Hausa land in Nigeria,
you will see mosquito inside your forest.
If you go to Edo state in Nigeria,
mosquito dey inside your forest.
If you go to Benue state in Nigeria,
you will see mosquito inside your forest.
If you go to Niger Delta in Nigeria,
mosquito dey inside your forest.
Disgraced nation. I need only keyboard now. Oh yeah. Disgraced nation. When I use in a hand to open border for Mosquito, and the Mosquito don't come now, biting people. Oh yeah, play the drums. Disgraced nation. Okay, let's go. Our politicians don't open borders for Mosquito. Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh. Mosquito don't know who be who. Mosquito don't kill thousands of Nigeria. Oh. Whether you be Igbo or you be Hausa, whether you Yoruba or Niger Delta, whether you from Edo or you from TV. Oh. Mosquito don't know who be who. Some people don't run away, leave their home. Oh. Mosquito don't chase everybody away. Oh. Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Politicians don't open borders for Mosquito.
Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Inside the bush, you will see them all.
Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Inside the slug, you will see them all.
Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Inside government house, you will see them all.
Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Inside the security agency,
mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Sambusa for less is their headquarters.
Mosquito don't come
Give
to
me keyboard.
Nigeria. Oh.
They have opened door for Mosquito. Mosquito have come scattered everywhere in Nigeria. They are trying to negotiate with them, trying to do peace talk with them. The more they do peace talk with them, the more they kidnap people. The more they do peace talk with them, the more they kill people. Disgraced nation. After they do peace talk with them, those mosquitoes will return back to the bush with their weapons. What a shame. Add me drum there. Our politicians don't run away, leave us. So mosquito don't run, enter inside the bush. If you go to Yoruba land in Nigeria,
you will see mosquito inside your forest.
If you go to Igbo land in Nigeria,
mosquito dey inside your forest.
If you go to Hausa land in Nigeria,
you will see mosquito inside your forest.
If you go to Edo state in Nigeria,
mosquito dey inside your forest.
If you go to Benue state in Nigeria,
you will see mosquito inside your forest.
If you go to Niger Delta in Nigeria,
mosquito dey inside your forest.
Give me keyboard. Nigerians, it's the time that we are going to bring shelters to kill this mosquito. As it stands now, all the Nigerians need shelters to spread this mosquito. This mosquito don't want us to let you. Since 2009, they done slaughter thousands of Nigeria. Trump saying he will come to Nigeria to bring American shelters inside the bush to fire all these mosquitoes where they disturb us. Our politicians, they cry up and down, complaining up and down. Then they lie up and down. Why are you people complaining? Why are you people crying? Because you people know the evil you people are doing. you like, cry. If you like, complain. Donald Trump must bring these shelters in Nigeria against this mosquito. Disgrace nation. Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Politicians don't open borders for mosquito.
Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Inside the bush, you will see them all.
Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Inside the slug, you will see them all.
Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Inside government house, you will see them all.
Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Inside the security agency, oh.
Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.
Sambusa for less is their headquarter. Oh.
Mosquito don't come to Nigeria. Oh.